Look closely at a tree. It's more than beauty. It's a living story. Each day, it acts like a tiny scientist, taking in carbon dioxide, water, and nutrients to make food and release oxygen. Its rings and yearly growth tell a story of numbers and patterns. Just like every ring connects to the next, learning grows stronger when knowledge branches together, when curiosity meets logic and wonder finds its reason. This connection is at the heart of two learning journeys, where English opens the door to science and math. Introducing I Learn English for Science and I Learn English for Math, published by DTP Publishing. They're designed to help students see how the world works, through both observation and calculation, through both inquiry and expression. In I Learn English for Science, discovery begins with curiosity. Every level opens with getting started, giving students a gentle introduction to key topics and vocabulary. Then come 4 engaging units, each designed around a clear structure. Each unit begins with the big picture, where all new vocabulary appears in one image, inviting students to connect ideas and share what they already know. Lessons 1 and 2 focus on language, introducing new words and sentence structures through listening and speaking. Lesson 3 brings in a new scientific concept, linking classroom learning to the real world. Every lesson ends with Explore, a short wrap-up that helps students apply what they've learned to themselves and the world around them. Each unit ends with a challenge lesson, featuring a challenge question and fun activities such as listening, sticker, reading, and speaking, turning review into a celebration of learning progress. And for extra practice, expansion pages at the back of the book add fun facts and new ways to learn at home or in class. I Learn English for Math is a 6-level course that helps students master both mathematics and English through the CPA approach: concrete, pictorial, abstract. Each level begins with getting started and continues with 5 engaging units, each introduced by The Big Picture, a visual guide that highlights key vocabulary and concepts while sparking curiosity. Lessons 1 and 2 in Units 1 to 3, or Lesson 3 in Unit 4. Build core mathematical language and understanding through interactive tasks, audio support, and relatable examples. Each lesson ends with Explore, where students apply what they've learned to real-life situations, making math meaningful, practical, and fun. Lesson 3 in Units 1 to 3 and Lesson 4 in Unit 4. Challenge. Review brings each unit to a close. Students review key words and language through listening and sticker activities, starting with a quick challenge and ending with Explore to connect learning to the world around them. To extend learning further, expansion pages at the back of the book offer extra practice, perfect for class or homework, helping students strengthen their skills and grow in confidence. I Learn English for Math turns every number into a story where logic meets language and understanding becomes discovery. The I Learn English for Science and I Learn English for Math series come with a full set of digital and print resources that make teaching and learning seamless, interactive, and effective. E-Student's Book. The digital version of the student's book, enriched with audio and visuals, makes learning more engaging and accessible anytime, anywhere. Digital classroom resources. Interactive tools for teachers to present lessons dynamically and manage classroom activities with ease. Digital homework activities. Online homework tasks that encourage practice, review, and reinforcement beyond the classroom. Audio. High-quality recordings that support pronunciation, listening comprehension, and fluency. Teaching plan. Clear lesson outlines and pacing guides to help teachers plan effectively. Flashcards. Visual aids for vocabulary review and fun, interactive games. Teacher's Book. Step-by-step teaching notes with practical guidance for every lesson. Practical activity worksheets and games found at the back of the teacher's book, offering hands-on tasks and engaging class games for each unit. Picture dictionary in the eStudent's book. a visual glossary that helps students quickly understand and remember key words. How to Guide Math 3 to 5, a simple reference tool that provides clear step-by-step explanations of essential math concepts. Visit eduhome.io to explore all resources of both series and more today. I learn English to seek, solve, and soar.